We have all seen how the interior of the Model Y Juniper looks, and it's so much more premium when it has this light strip across the dash. Well, that's why we had to create this product right here, which goes inside the legacy Model 3 or Y, and it's called the Sexy Strip. It's a smart RGB strip that's placed inside the air vent of your vehicle, and it's held there by the double-sided tape. And this tool right here, which is called the controller, actually controls it, and you can configure so many actions, and I'm going to show you how I'm using it inside this legacy Model Y. Now, I'm not going to go through the installation process since you can already watch it on our YouTube channel, but trust me, it's extremely easy to do. Once it is installed, you can use our app to choose the color and the animation of the light strip based on different conditions. For example, I set it up so whenever I turn my left turn signal and there is no one in my blind spot, the left side of the bar flashes green. But if a car appears next to me, it immediately turns red. Another cool feature is the speed limit warning, which starts pulsing in red whenever I drive above the speed limit. And since the system is so smart, I even added an offset so the notification only appears when I'm driving more than 5 km/h above the allowed speed limit. And lastly, one of my favorite ones is the Sentry Mode animation, which gives me the option to do a little trolling. Whenever someone tries to pull one of the door handles while the car is locked, the strip starts flashing like a police car and scares any potential intruders. So if you like what you saw and you think the Sexy Strip is going to be a perfect addition to your Tesla, make sure to visit our website, which is enhauto.com, because we have a bunch of information about this product and everything else we make on it. Also, since you got to this part of the video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we post videos about everything we make every single week. See you in the next one.